Sorry. This new book is in a paper package. I'm gonna open it right now with my fabulous opening tool.
How does it feel right away?
Right away it feels light. I'm gonna go, it's tending more towards light than towards heavy.
No.
So that's good for it. Oh.
Do we know where it comes from?
Oh. So the verlag, I guess, is what you would say, publishing house, is iwalewabooks, GBR. And they have two bases. One is in Bayreuth and one is in Johannesburg,
Nice.
the South African variant
Lovely.
of places. Okay, so this comes with bubble wrap as standard, very nice.
Can I have the bubble wrap?
Sure, sweet. Oh, this is nice. This has like a beautiful wine paper packaging with a lovely greeting to me, to us. Viele Grüße heißt das auf dem cover. This makes it so personal somehow.
Ooh, curious.
Yeah. More Christmas vibes. Oh wow. So the name is Ghosts, Specters, Revenants. I have no idea what a revenant is, but I know there was that film, The Revenant. Have you seen it?
No, I wanted to, but the people said it was too intense.
Yeah, it looked really cold and just kind of miserable, which I'm sure this book is not. Ghost, Specters, Revenants, Hauntology as a means to think and feel future. Hauntology as a successful academic concept. Okay, this goes into things that maybe might be too deep right now. The book again is written here, iwalewabooks, and it's edited by Katharina Fink, Marie-Anne Kohl, and Nadine Siegert. Okay.
Show me inside, show.
I'm gonna give you a little look inside. It's kind of got a nice, like, black faded cover, like faded black jeans, kind of nice. We're gonna take a look inside. Ooh, so yeah, I guess it's giving like rundown of different hauntology concepts. This could be maybe not true what I'm saying. Okay.
Who knows?
Producer, do we know if this is a novel or a...
Is it in German?
No, it's in my own language, English, so this should be easy. Why is this so hard for me? Okay, I'm gonna just read like a little bit. In order to get closer to the various subjacent hypotheses, I will discuss 3 films from Guinea-Bissau and Angola to analyze the inherent ghost stories in recent cinematographic narratives. From the analysis, I will draw upon theoretical approaches that tackle the trope of ghosts as a mediation process between parallel worlds in time and space.
Amazing.
So, if you believe in ghosts, and also if you do not, definitely give this book a shot because it promises to really, really explain some things which have to do with specters and all things ghosty.
I'm hooked.
You like it?
I'm very hooked.
Santi likes it. So.
I want it in my collection.
It goes on the shelf.